If you're a designer who works with pencil and paper first to construct your artwork, then this video will take you through the initial steps needed to convert that sketch into a digital drawing using Affinity Designer. First, you need a digital version of your sketch, so scan it or snap it, and then save it and store it as you would a standard photo. I stole this one from the creative team. In Designer, press Command O to launch the Open dialog, and then navigate to your sketch file. Select it and click Open. The sketch opens as a locked background pixel layer. It may help to reduce the opacity of the background layer or set its blend mode to multiply before you begin your work. On the Layers panel, click this icon to add a new layer and then begin duplicating the lines on your sketch using your preferred tool. If you wish to design to a specific page size from the outset, then you may prefer to press Command N to create a new document to suit your needs. Then import your sketch using the Place Image tool. Drag on your page to set the size of the image, and then on the Layers panel, lock the layer the image is on. You can then work on your design as described earlier. And that's how easy it is to digitalize a sketch design in Affinity Designer. Thanks for watching.